Yo boys, before we get into this video, if you would like the chance of winning a 10 coin promo on Rain, all you have to do is like this video and comment your Discord name. Now I'm gonna draw two people from last video. First out is Ette, and the second one is going to be, let's see here, it's going to be Nossi. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Vaulty. We're once again back on Rain.gg. We have 650 coins to play with, and before we get into the video, if you would like to play on Rain, don't forget to head over to deposit, use code Vaulty, hit apply. If you do so, you don't only get 5% deposit bonus, you also join our 600 coin weekly leaderboard, so yes, don't miss that out. Let's just get straight into it here. Let's see. I think we're gonna start off with doing some 5% cases. Let's start off like this: 121 coins, 3 versus 3, crazy jackpot. Let's see here. Okay, that's a hit straight away. Unfortunately, it's the worst case, but come on. Just don't be the... Okay, it's the worst one. We still take it though, we still take it. 182 coins. We need some more hits though. Come on, Rainbow 13 or 11 needs to hit. Okay, this is looking really good. This is actually looking really good. Come on, be something crazy now. How much is that? That's top item. 1.3k, that's top item, I think. Stop. And another hit! Holy shit, this battle is paying! Hold on! Okay, that's 500! 400, don't lose this, please! Nice! Almost 2k straight off the bat! I just have to check, is that top item? It's not, but holy shit, that's really good. 650 coins after first battle. We're already up at 1.1k. Let's see. Okay, we are lucky. Should we try some 1%ers maybe? Let's just try a few 1%ers. And let's do some 10%ers as well. Let me see. Caveman Robson. I mean, holy shit. We couldn't have had a better start than this. Come on. Please keep the luck going. Okay, now it's just loading. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, battle is going. 1% cases. No. I don't think I have ever hit in last draw. Come on. We got two 1%ers left. Okay, nothing. Invisibility, 5% case, please. No. Come on, come on. Go down, go down! What? What the fucking bait? Okay, we're not hitting anything. We used all our luck in the beginning. Hey man. Okay, at least we get one hitting caveman. Be something good now. Show us a gold. That's a gold, that's 700. Come on, don't lose this. Nice, another win. I mean, it's basically money back. No, it's some profit. How much? 228. Let's see. Stop. No. Okay. Can we at least get some money back? No. We haven't hit anything good. Only the other team. Please, give us some spins. Okay, that's a spin, but this is a shit case, right? Yeah, it is. If we don't get a classic knife, this is so bad. I mean, go down. How much is that? It's not gonna be much. 32 coins. Kinda wasted ticket, actually. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna open these cases anymore. It's not giving anything back. I mean, come on. No. No, last 2 cases. Big cases. Okay, of course, they get a spin. Don't be anything insane. I see some good shit in here. Okay, that should be fine. That should be fine. 77, yeah, that's fine. Last case, gold spin. No way, no one hit. No one hit. But we still win. Can't seem to be losing it. Come on, no hits on me. I mean, we just need Rainbow 20 and number 7 to hit now. Okay, that's really bad. I think we're fucked. Why did I go crazy? We might be fucked here, boys. Yeah, and it's a good hit as well. Okay, now we need a double hit. Rainbow 20 and 7, please. I thought I was... Oh. Thought I was going to get another one. Can you use hit on the last cases and we're good? AK Asimov. Faded. No way! Of course we're hitting this much when I turn on 3-way. Come on. Somehow do a double pull on the right now. Last case, double pull. Yeah, we're fucked. 0.7%. Imagine if we snipe this though. 1%. Yeah, we don't. We don't. Think we're actually gonna call it a day there and walk off with some profit. No, we can do one more battle. There's no way same shit happens again. Let's do one more. Let's do 2 versus 2 crazy jackpot instead. Last battle of the video. If we don't pull something really good, then we can keep on going. Let's see. There's only 6 cases, so we need hits here early in the beginning on the right side. Just any hits. Okay, it's not looking good at all. Come on. Last 2. Yeah, it's up to 5% rifle. Somehow clutch it up. No, not a single spin. Can we at least win 50-50? We can't either. Okay, now here's the thing. I don't want to end on this. I have to do an upgrade. Okay, good. Good. Let's cash this out. 9. No. What the fuck? I counted wrong. Oh my god, and now we're losing. Okay, wait. Let's do 2 coins. Okay, good. Good. Now we can cash out, finally. Okay, 900 coins. Not the best, but we'll take it. We'll definitely take it. So boys, if you would like to play on Rain, don't forget to head over to deposit and use code Vaulty, hit apply. If you do so, you automatically join the 600 coin weekly leaderboard, and we will see you boys in the next video. Bye.